Hey guys, today I want to talk about how to install MyKey Premium Remote Start. For this particular model, this is 2017 Hyundai Sonata, but it's also compatible to 2015 through 2017 models. This product from MyKeyPremium.com. This is a regular kit. They also sell a WCDMA 3G kit, which allows you to use your smartphone. What I like about this product is that it's easy, simple, and quick to install it. You don't have to cut any wires, which I think that's one of the most important things, and you don't need any additional key fobs. You just use your regular key fob. So this is the module, and it also comes with wires. So we have a bunch of wires. These three wires are exactly the same as these wires, but they have different connectors. This is mothers and this is fathers. And the mothers, we're gonna unplug some wires from the car, connect them to here. The fathers, they're gonna be connected straight to the car. Let's start it. The first thing we have to do is disattach this panel right under the glove compartment. So this is the panel that we're gonna have to take out. And here you go. And we're gonna disattach these three connectors. One is out. Second is out. All three are out. You see how these three connectors are fathers? So we're gonna connect them to the mothers. All three of these, they have different shapes, so you're not gonna mismatch them. Don't worry about that. If it goes in, then that's the right one. And the last one. These three wires, we're gonna connect them to the car's modules. And as you push it in, make sure you hear the click. That means it's placed in the right spot. Just double check that it's all the way in. Here you go, all three are in. Double check. If they're not all the way in, your car might not work. Now this is the module. So we have two connectors. This is power, it will connect the last one. So this one goes in straight. And the power last one. As soon as I connect it, you're gonna hear a beep. Okay, it's good to go. And for this specifically model, make sure these two connectors are disattached. And another thing, for the module, make sure for this specific model, your setup looks like this. The first switch is on, second off, third one is on, fourth one is off. And the 4 channels are facing up. And before you hide this behind the panel, make sure your car works. Once it works, go ahead and put it away and put the panel back. Once you install it, all you have to do is just click twice on the lock button and it should work. Here you go, car started. Also, there's another trick. Once you approach the car should automatically unlock itself. Let's check it out. I'm gonna leave my key here, just to double check the car is locked. Now I'll try with my key. Once in the car, all you have to do is just press the brake pedal and the car will activate itself. Once you see this screen goes on, now you're good to drive. Put in drive, and it's good. There's another cool function. The car is running right now. All you have to do is just get out, press the pin, make sure the car is locked, and just walk away. Here you go, the car is off and the doors are locked.